friends and families, how are you all doing? It's your girl Estelle and I hope you're all doing good. So my friends, I'm back this week with a simple recipe to share with you. It's called poulet grillé au levure, which simply means grilled chicken using yeast. Yep. Yes guys. But it's a yeast that was left over from making a popular local drink from Burkina Faso called chapalo. And I'm pretty sure if you watch the video till the end, you will love this recipe and you will want to give it a try. So my friends, without further ado, let me show you how to make it. To get started, I've got chicken thighs which I have already cleaned, and also as you can see I've created some cuts into the chicken, and that is to allow my marinade to soak well with the chicken and also give it more flavor. And next is our famous Burkina Faso yeast, which I've explained earlier on, that was left over from the local drink called chapalo. And this is how it looks like. Also, I want you guys to know this is not your normal yeast that you use for baking your breads and your cakes. This is a yeast that has actually went through the cooking process combined with the sorghum and red millet, which is the main ingredients for the popular drink called chapalo. And then the leftover is then dried and sold it to the market. And many restaurants and street food uses it in Burkina Faso to make grilled chicken, and it's my pleasure to show you how to make this. And the next ingredient I will be adding is some salt to taste, and finally some oil, and I will also be adding some water in order to make the marinade. Et voila, that is all the ingredients I am going to use today for this recipe. So my friends, it's time to start cooking. So next I'm going to show you how to create the marinade. So first add some water, followed by adding all the ingredients together, and some salt to taste. Finish by adding a bit of oil. Give it a good mix. Then before you set it aside, taste it first to make sure the salt level is to your desired taste. And once the salt level is okay, set it aside for later. Okay guys, it's time to now marinate our chicken using the marinade we just made. So go ahead and pour the marinade into the chicken. Then give it a good mix until all the marinade is well soaked with the chicken. Then cover it and set it aside for at least 4 to 6 hours before grilling. Lions roaring in the morning sun. Okay guys, it's been 6 hours since my chicken is marinating, so it's time to start grilling. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Next we are going to start our grill. I am using an electric grill today, and if this is your first time using an electric grill indoors, make sure to turn your fans on and also to open your windows to help reduce the excessive amount of smoke. Next, once your electric grill has come to a temperature, use some of the oil from the marinade earlier on and give it a wipe to make sure it's well coated. Then place your chicken skin side down and you should hear some nice sizzle. After putting all the pieces onto the grill, you want to cook them for about 5 to 10 minutes or until they have that beautiful brown color on the skin. Lion's gonna come. The birds. And once the chicken has that beautiful brown color on the skin, turn it over, followed by using the remaining marinade to marinate the chicken while it's still cooking. Then repeat the process until the chicken is almost cooked. Then once you notice it beginning to look cooked, drizzle a bit of oil all over the chicken, as that would help to keep the chicken nice and moist.
Just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world.
Et voila guys, there you have it. Our grilled chicken is done. As you guys can see, our chicken is cooked, looks crispy from the skin and moist from the inside. Yum. Okay guys, now that the chicken is cooked, I'm going to turn the heat off and let it rest for 10 minutes. And after the chicken has rested, it would be time to start serving. Yay! I am serving this with some fried yam, but you can serve this with any type of dish and it will taste delicious.
People for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we
Alright friends and families, this brings the end to our today's video. If you've liked the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Also don't forget to leave a comment if you ever try the recipe to let me know how it turns out. And also share the video with your families and friends. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning up. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, and also share the video with your families and friends. Okay guys, until then, I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye all.